And I got to the point where I was a CRM consultant, a therapeutic personal chef, and a functional nutritionist. And I was recreating that unhealthy work-life balance where I was working 10 to 12 hours again. And I said, you know what? I can't do this. Like I love all the things that I'm doing, but I have to choose one. And I actually chose being a CRM consultant. And then one of the reasons why is because like I was lightly getting a little bit burnt out with the cooking. You know, sometimes cooking for 8 hours straight would just like kind of burn me out. I liked it, don't get me wrong, because I knew it was going to a good, I
Right.
knew it was going to a good cause. But then in the back of my mind, I was like, man, I just want to do something where I could just use my mind and just use my mind and not have to cook every day because I'm gonna lose my love for cooking as well.
Yeah.
You know, and I don't want to
Yeah.
lose that love for cooking for myself and for people in my family or friends or whatnot.
Yeah.
And so it kind of was a blessing in disguise where I got those opportunities as a CRM consultant and I could have the ability to choose that. And I did choose being a CRM consultant 100%. And I told my networking community, the people that really know me very well, I told them, hey, I'm pivoting back to technology. A lot of my networking partners weren't surprised. They said, hey, you're really good at technology anyways in CRM, so
Yeah.
we're still going to support you. So I was happy about that. And then some of my networking partners actually became my customers. So my transition back to technology, my network made it easy for me to do that because I've developed those good relationships, being a relationship builder, and also still using my CRMs to keep track of all my relationships in order to create those good relationships or whatnot.